Hey, fellow developers. Ever found yourself writing async code that loops through multiple await calls, waiting for each one to complete before moving to the next? Well, what if I told you there's a better way, one that makes your code cleaner and faster? Enter Future.wait. Let's dive in. Let's say you have multiple API calls, each returning a future. Normally, you might write something like this. The problem, these calls run one after another. The total wait time, it's the sum of all three. What if we could run all these futures at the same time and just wait for the slowest one? That's exactly what Future.wait does. Instead of waiting one by one, Future.wait starts all the futures together. Total wait time? Now it's just the time of the slowest future, not all of them combined. But what happens if one of the futures fails? Future.wait throws an error if any of the provided futures fail. To handle that, we use try-catch. This way, we can catch any errors and handle them gracefully. Let's take an example. Imagine building a Flutter app where you need to fetch user data, notifications, and messages all at once. Instead of waiting for each request separately, Future.wait speeds things up. And just like that, you've optimized your async code. Faster, cleaner, and more efficient. So next time you're dealing with multiple futures, remember, Future.wait, because future you will thank you. If this saved you time and made your code cleaner, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more pro tips, and for the ultimate Flutter guide, check out the official docs at flutter.dev. Keep coding smarter. Thanks for watching.